Imagine waking up to a radiant complexion, skin that feels as good as it looks. Does that sound like a distant dream? Well, it doesn't have to be. Welcome to the beginner's guide to glowing skin. With a few simple steps and a bit of consistency, anyone can improve their skin's health and appearance. First things first, it's crucial to understand your skin type. Is it dry, oily, combination, or sensitive? Knowing this allows you to tailor your skincare routine to your specific needs and avoid potential skin problems down the line. For instance, dry skin often needs heavier moisturization, while oily skin can benefit from oil-free products. Next, consider the cleansing routine. It's not just about washing away the dirt and grime of the day, it's about selecting a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Cleansing twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, can help maintain a clear and fresh complexion. But remember, the aim is not to strip your skin, but to leave it feeling clean and comfortable. The third tip, and one that often gets overlooked by beginners, is moisturization. Hydrated skin not only appears plumper and smoother, but also helps to combat the signs of aging. When skin is well hydrated, it's more resilient and can better protect itself from environmental stresses. So don't skip the moisturizer. Find one that's right for your skin type and apply it morning and night. Lastly, but by no means least, is sun protection. It's not just for beach days, it's a daily essential. Incorporating a broad-spectrum sunscreen into your skincare routine can protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays, including premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Choose a sunscreen with a high SPF and remember to reapply throughout the day. So, there you have it. 4 essential skincare tips for beginners. Understand your skin type, cleanse gently and regularly, moisturize daily, and never forget your sunscreen. Start incorporating these steps into your routine and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Remember, skincare isn't a race, it's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. Start yours today. For more skincare advice, tips, and product recommendations, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Here's to your journey towards glowing skin.